Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best AGM car batteries available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're upgrading your car's power system or need reliable performance in extreme conditions, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Deca 9A34R AGM Intimidator battery. This battery is designed by a trusted brand known for its reliable automotive power solutions. While its technical specifications may seem modest compared to other batteries on this list, it provides steady, dependable performance for everyday driving needs. The 9A34R features AGM technology, ensuring it's spill-proof and maintenance-free, which is a great plus for users who prefer hassle-free operations. The build quality of the Deca 9A34R is solid, with a compact design measuring 6.88 by 10.75 by 8 inches and weighing just 5 pounds. This lightweight form factor makes it ideal for those looking for easy installation and portability. However, with an amperage of just 9 amps, this battery is best suited for vehicles with minimal power demands or as a secondary power source. While it has received favorable reviews for reliability, its lower cranking power and reserve capacity make it less suitable for high-performance applications or extreme weather conditions. The Deca 9A34R is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who need a dependable battery for standard automotive use. But it doesn't quite match up to the heavy-duty performance of higher-ranked models on this list. Pros: lightweight design, easy to install, reliable for standard use. Cons: limited power output, not ideal for high-demand applications. At rank number 4, we have the Mighty Max G24F AGM car battery. This battery offers solid performance and reliability for mid-range power demands. With a 12-volt, 70 amp-hour capacity and 710 cold cranking amps CCA, it delivers consistent starting power, even in colder temperatures. The 120-minute reserve capacity ensures longer run times, making it a dependable choice for regular use. The G24F stands out for its rugged construction. Designed to resist shock, vibration, and harsh conditions, this makes it a great option for drivers who frequently encounter tough terrain or extreme weather. Its spill-proof AGM design ensures clean and safe operation, and it can be mounted in multiple positions for flexibility during installation. The dimensions are compact at 10.75 by 6.75 by 9 inches, and it weighs 47.6 pounds, which strikes a good balance between portability and durability. While the G24F is versatile and performs well for standard automotive needs, it falls short for heavier power applications like high-end car audio systems or winches. Additionally, it doesn't include mounting accessories, so users may need to purchase additional hardware. Overall, this battery is ideal for those seeking a dependable, mid-range option for daily driving. Pros: rugged build, reliable starting power, spill-proof design. Cons: limited high-demand performance, mounting accessories not included. At rank number 3, we have the XS Power D4800 AGM battery. This model is a powerhouse when it comes to handling demanding applications. With a 12-volt, 72 amp-hour capacity and 950 cranking amps CA, it provides reliable starts in extreme weather conditions. The 132-minute reserve capacity further adds to its appeal for users who need prolonged power for accessories like winches, car audio systems, or LED lights. The design of the D4800 is compact yet robust, measuring 10.94 by 7.48 by 6.93 inches and weighing 48.22 pounds. It features a sealed, leak-proof AGM design that eliminates maintenance hassles while allowing for versatile installation options. The inclusion of M6 terminal hardware ensures a straightforward setup, making it a favorite for custom automotive configurations. While the D4800 delivers high performance and is backed by a 3-year warranty, It is slightly less powerful than some of the higher-ranked options on this list. Additionally, its price point may be on the higher side for consumers focused on affordability. This battery is best suited for users with moderate to heavy power demands who value reliability and build quality. Pros: high cranking power, robust design, long reserve capacity. Cons: slightly lower max amps compared to top contenders. Premium pricing. At rank number 2, we have the XS Power D6500 AGM battery. This battery is a heavy-duty performer, boasting an impressive 3,800 max amps, 86 amp-hour capacity, and 1,100 cranking amps, CA. With a 174-minute reserve capacity, it's built to handle high-demand applications like powering advanced car audio systems, winches, and electronics in extreme conditions. If reliability and consistent performance are what you need, the D6500 has you covered. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a sealed, maintenance-free AGM design that resists leaks and ensures a long lifespan. Its compact dimensions of 11.8 by 6.8 by 7.2 inches make installation a breeze, despite its weight of 53.81 pounds. The inclusion of M6 terminal hardware further simplifies setup, making it ideal for those who enjoy customizing their automotive systems. While the D6500 is an excellent option for heavy-duty use, its price may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its weight might make installation slightly more challenging compared to lighter models. Overall, this battery is best suited for users who demand maximum power and performance for high-energy applications. Pros: exceptional power output, long reserve capacity, durable build. Cons: heavier than most models, premium pricing. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the XS Power D3400 AGM battery, which combines versatility, power, and reliability into one outstanding package. With a 12-volt, 80-hash capacity and 1150 cranking amps crank ca, this battery delivers smooth, consistent starts even in extreme weather. Its 160-minute reserve capacity provides ample runtime for power-hungry accessories like winches, advanced car audio systems, and more. The D3400 features a compact and lightweight design at just 49.97 pounds, measuring 10.24 by 7.16 by 6.89 inches. Its sealed AGM construction is leak-proof and maintenance-free, making it a hassle-free option for users. The included M6 terminal hardware ensures quick and easy installation, while its universal fit makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from Jeeps to Bentleys. What sets the D3400 apart is its balance between performance and practicality. It offers high cranking power, reliable durability, and a compact form factor without sacrificing quality. While it might not have the absolute highest max amps of all XS Power models, its combination of features makes it the most versatile and well-rounded choice for the majority of users. Pros: high cranking power, lightweight design, versatile compatibility. Cons: none significant for its category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right AGM car battery for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.